Hello, this is Kevin with Offroad Cowboy Fabrication, and today's video is going to be on the adapter plate that goes to the input of the NP203. I'm going to save you the hour plus that it took to set this rotary table and the plate on here, so everything's zeroed out. So now I'm going to get ready and cut those radiuses on, cut the radius on there, and away we go. Hi, this is Kevin with Offroad Cowboy Fabrication, and I just finished up plate number 2 for the adapter plates. So I got on this one, this is to the input to the 203 from the 435. I got this guy going, And it's a nice snug fit. Looks good. So we got the out facing side of the 203 and the in facing side of the 203. And back here you'll see that I put 2 dowel pins in, and the reason for that is that the original plate that goes in there had a cutout for this flat spot on this shaft that one of the main gears inside goes on. And since it's more difficult to machine the flat part on there, I just went ahead and put the 2 pins in there. And so everything nice and easy. And then all these bolts go in, and a counterboard